Hi, I'm Michael. Welcome to the Everleigh. We're here on Gertrude Street in Fitzroy. Have been for 10 years this year, and today we're talking about what we do, and well, we've got Lyre's non-alcoholic spirit in front of us as well. So the Everleigh opened in 2011. Been a pretty incredible ride so far, and we've seen the changes through the times, I suppose. And I think one of the big changes that I'd like to talk about is obviously the growing number of calls for non-alcoholic cocktails, and seeing that people actually just wanting to drink delicious drinks has been a really great thing to watch. And we've got a drink on our menu at the moment called Gary's Toupee, actually, which kind of evokes my love affair between pink grapefruit juice, bitter lemon, and Lyre's. Look, for me, I think it's really important to acknowledge that there is a really great movement in the non-alcoholic cocktail world. And from this side of the bar, we're really happy that it's happening, and we can't wait to serve you. Right, so when I was thinking about what kind of drink I wanted to make with Lyre's, I knew I was a massive fan of the Italian Spritz. So I think for me, and I'm also a fan of a drink called the Garibaldi, which is an Italian aperitif with fresh orange juice and served tall. So I think for this one here, I've got a couple of favorite ingredients that I really wanted to use. So the first one being my Italian Spritz from Lyre's. Pink grapefruit juice, freshly squeezed. Now I don't need to shake this because it's going over a big block of ice, but what I am going to do is give it what we call a whip, where it just kind of mixes the ingredients and fluffs it up just a little bit there. Now I'm just going to pour this over my beautiful block of ice. Alrighty, so I'm going to garnish this with a big, beautiful, proud slice of pink grapefruit. Just over the straw. And that is Gary's Toupee.